Hey, Lizzy Anjorin don write for her Instagram post say she no beat up her husband third wife, and she no also arrest her husband third wife, and her husband third wife no go for any DNA test. Hi guys, welcome back to Mama SOJ vlog. How you guys doing? My name is Mama SOJ. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will not miss any of my updates about the celebrities. So guys, let's get into the video. Just of when I don't know Lizzy Anjorin. Lizzy Anjorin, a Yoruba actress. Maybe say she the art Yoruba movie, but she not to the art movie again. She concentrate on her own market. Maybe say she dey sell show you and pomo funfun, all those things, and her clothing, where she dey sell clothes also. So my people, and I know say we post video about lady way Lizzy Anjorin arrest, say they say me they go bring DNA test because Lizzy Anjorin don't, so she don't make video about this matter before. We be say she thought say any woman way pregnant for her husband may come outside say may they go make DNA test. Say if na your husband get that child, they go take care of him. So my people, as I do this video yesterday, we be say the lady say they arrest her now, so they do the DNA test. They come confirm and say na Lizzy Anjorin husband I get the child. So Lizzy Anjorin don't come outside deny the allegation. Say no be if she no arrest the woman. Say she no even get anything to do with the woman. Say it don't reach 3 months. Maybe say her leg touch police station reach. She said no be she do am. Say na lie, na the lady lie for her head. Say the lady just dey do am maybe take spoil her name. Say the blogger just dey carry fake rumor, dey waka dey go. Say even Arike even lost her own 25 million naira. Say market money. Say he no let Arike sleep for floor. Say na person wey come carry child for back, na he go come go arrest. Say may the lady bring evidence come outside. My people, wetin me get to talk for this matter be say the lady wey come outside come talk say Lizzy Anjorin arrest am. Person no go just be stay, can't just meet blogger. Say blogger, let me blog this news. Come outside say Lizzy Anjorin arrest me. Say he let am sleep police station. She say she never even see the woman for high before koro. The woman wey they talk about say she never see the woman for high. Say woman wey they thought say she beat or she carry and go police station. Wey be say the letter, wey be say they thought say she let the woman sleep police station with her child. Say she never see the woman for her koro like this. Say don't even pass 3 months. Wey be say he go police station reach. Lizzy Anjorin, you say na fake rumor na they carry come. You don't go fit blame blogger because now what they bring come meet blogger na blogger go blog come aside. Blogger no go just be sit down for inside and just cook story. And no be all blogger where you see for internet, they hungry of money. Now their job now they do. Blogger, if you bring news, come me blogger go blog and come outside. If you don't do the thing, you will come outside, come to say you know do am, and you don't come outside now, don't talk say okay, oh, you know do am. And people don't know say you know do am. Some people go believe, some not go believe. Me self, I not go feel just to say I go believe, say I no go believe the other lady. And I no fit to say I believe the other lady, say I no believe you. Because me, now my job now they do. If they carry story come, when we say that also see what you do, I go blog and come outside. And if you know do am, you go come outside, come sit and say you know do am. And since when you don't talk say you know do am. Lizzy Anjorin say you know do am, say because they just they write fake news about am because of say that they jealous am, say the people na bad belly people. Say all these people are just to tarnish her image, say because they want chop inside her estate money, you know, inside her business money, now make that they write rubbish about am. Which person, which blogger just wants to say, okay, I want to write rubbish about Lizzy. When we say the person, you know, they no carry story, can't give her. Go just write story about Lizzy, say, because say you want me Lizzy give her money, because say they want tarnish Lizzy image. Others actresses, they will be say that they blog news about them. Not be only Lizzy, that they blog news about them. And this one way they thought say they just want tarnish your image because of say they want chop inside state's money. All those one are lie. Even the way you tell us say, now so Arike lost your 25 million. Arike lost 25 million market, and you never write that for Instagram. And today now be the first time we say you bring a comment and say Arike lost your 25 million. So my people, let me know for comment section whether now lie na Lizzy they talk say she no use police they arrest the lady and she no beat the lady up, or now the lady now they lie. life for Lizzy Anjorin head. Me na let me know for comment section, because now I no fit judge. Now wetin the lady talk now, we carry come out come talk. For lady to come outside say he get child for your husband. Now be say it get something to do with your husband. Because for lady to just come outside come to say he get child for your husband, you no go just be pull life for your husband head. Because you see other men outside, the why be saying that your own husband should they point finger at. And your husband never come outside say, okay, oh, I no pregnant this lady, you na lie, they lie. Now only you they come outside to talk say the lady say anybody wey pregnant for your husband, may they come outside say you go do DNA, may they go do DNA test. And one don't come out now come they talk say okay your husband pregnant, and your husband never come out come talk say he no pregnant. You no even write for Instagram what you write for Instagram say na lie, you say your husband no pregnant am. All what you they talk be say you no use police arrest person, say you no beat the lady up, say you no use police arrest person, say you never go police station for long time, say na fake news. But you no talk say whether the person pregnant for your husband and be no born for your husband. Me I no fit judge whether you dey lie or be the lady dey lie. But before the lady go come outside come talk say he get belle for your husband, now be say there must be something between your husband and this lady. So my people, now I no fit judge. Now wetin the lady talk now, we carry come out come talk. So may let me know wetin I think for the comment section. I go like to end the video for here. And if you never subscribe, may you subscribe so you no go miss any celebrities gist wey I dey upload. May I take care till I come on our way next time. On a bye bye. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.